Hey, hi guys. Today I'm going to introduce you about the Angular. Angular is the one of the most and powerful front-end web development framework out here. Angular is the Java-based work framework developed and maintained by the Google. That makes it easy to build dynamics, interactive, and scalable web applications. Angular provides the complete set to the features, make it easy to build the complex web application. The form to way data binding, it is a powerful component systems. Angular has everything you need to be built module high performing web application. So we need to be understand what is the Angular. So latest version is the right now is the Angular 13, and we are the introducing that. So let's search about the Angular. Angular.io is the official website of the Angular, and there is the big community in the Angulars. Angular is the web application developer. So here is the some information about the Angular, and in the Angulars we are the using HTML, CSS, and TypeScripts. So this is the our new chapter. It is the series of the chapters, so we will understand and grow the how the Angular will be the work. और ये पूरे सीरीज में हम ये सीखेंगे कि एंगुलर इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है, और एंगुलर बेसिक से लेके एंगुलर एडवांस तक पूरे के पूरे सब्जेक्ट हम सीखने वाले. सो जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक बटन दबा दो ताकि ये पूरा का पूरा सीरीज़ आपको अंडरस्टैंड हो जाए.